Is your 8-ball pool game acting like a venomous snake, refusing to open and leaving you stranded without your daily dose of billiards? First, let's try the most basic fix. Simply close the 8-ball pool app completely. Swipe it away from your recent app screen to ensure it's not running in the background. Next, head over to your phone settings. Then, find the Apps or Applications section. The name might vary depending on your phone. Scroll down until you locate 8-ball pool and tap on it. Now, tap on Storage or Storage and Cache again, depending on your device. Clear the cache first. This removes temporary files that might be causing issues. If that doesn't work, tap Clear Data. Warning: this might reset your game progress if it's not linked to an account, so proceed with caution. After clearing the cache and/or data, force stop the app. This completely shuts it down. Finally, try opening 8-ball pool again. Hopefully, these steps have tamed the snake and you're back to sinking those balls.